Welcome back. So today we're going to be having a look at the E minor chord.
So for the E minor chord, we're going to need an E, we're going to need G, and we're going to need B. Here you can see me playing it in the root inversion. Again, we've got our 1, 3, and 5. So we've got E, G, and B.
So E, G, and B are the only notes you're going to need for the E minor chord. Let's see that in the...
So we've done our root inversion of E, G, and B, our root being the E. So now we're going to change to the first inversion. So we're going to move up, we're going to use the G to start with, we're going to use the B, and finally the E. And that's our first inversion.
If I want to find the second inversion, I'm going to have to start off on B.
If I'm starting on B, I'm going to need to use B, E, and then the next note in the chord is G. So it's top G. And I can use that all over the keyboard. So I can... So as long as I'm using E, G, and B, that's my E minor chord.
So I hope you enjoyed this video. Join us again next time when we'll be having a look at some scales and how to use bass notes to support your chords.